The
Yeah.
biggest difference I've seen though with, like, for example, land versus homes. For example, I was telling you earlier, like, we got a big deal in LA. For me personally, I like doing homes better because of the emotional attachment they have to their home. And I feel like I'm actually helping someone. So like when I'm talking to them, and like the guy I talked to yesterday, he's really in a pickle. He's in a hard situation. We were able to help him out with that property instead of him listing it with an agent. And he has a tenant in there right now that's his brother, but he doesn't want to be the bad guy to kick his brother out because he hasn't been paying rent. So that's why he wanted to sell to us for cash. And I don't know, for me, it just feels more fulfilling when you're helping people in that way. But I'm sure there's people out there as well with land issues that, maybe they're delinquent or they can't make their payments and they need help too. But I've seen it more with homes. But with land, I haven't seen it so much. Maybe it's just the market we're in because it's a premium market. Everyone's just like, oh, I only want 135 and that's it. Don't tell me anything else. And it just becomes a price war and there's no like way to talk them down because there's no emotional attachment or distress. But I guess that's the biggest issue is that market that we're in. We haven't found a lot of distress with them.